Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pig oil. Start by collecting clean pork fat and trimming any meat or blood spots away. Cut fat into small, uniform pieces for even rendering. Use a heavy pot on low heat with occasional stirring to prevent scorching. Save rendered fat in sterilized jars while still warm and strain through cheesecloth to remove solids for a clear, usable pig oil. Gather your trimmed fat and chill it briefly for easier handling, then dice into roughly 1-inch pieces. Place the pieces in a heavy pot or slow cooker and set heat to low, maintaining a gentle simmer. Stir occasionally and monitor temperature to avoid browning the fat. As fat liquefies, it will separate from solids. Continue until pieces are golden and mostly crisp for optimal clarity in the finished pig oil. Choose a rendering method that fits your kitchen and schedule, like low stove heat, oven, or slow cooker. For dry rendering, keep the heat low and be patient to avoid burning, while wet rendering adds a small amount of water to control temperature early on. Skim foam as needed, and watch for golden, crisp solids which indicate completion. Transfer liquid fat to strainers and allow settling before jarring for storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.